So why is everyone paying $72 a year for a single email address? So basically, most gurus tells you that you have to pay, for example, Google or Microsoft to look professional. But nowadays, there are 3 hidden ways to get a custom name, for example, your name at yourbrand.com, email for exact $0. I'm going to show you what you can actually do to get it forever free. The first option, which I think is going to be really awesome, is Soho. So just go for Soho like this, and you wanted to focus for the option that says mail. Here you get 5 gigabytes of storage and a clean ad-free interface. The catch nowadays is that you have to use Soho application or the webmail. They lock the IMAP or POP settings behind the $1 packs. I believe it's a paywall code. But what you can do here directly into Soho is that you can just go directly inside the mail element and you go for get started with an ad-free email. So what you can do is now to hit for the option that says sign up. In my case, I'm going to hit for the option that says sign in, using exactly the same Gmail account that I'm actually currently using, just to have access to the emails that I currently have available. So once we have now availability here directly inside here, you can see that we have here our actual email with the let's say the domain that we actually make the purchase. Now the second option is the Cloudflare masked. If you already use your personal Gmail and don't want a new inbox, you can use the Cloudflare email routing. How we can actually focus on that, you can go back again into the browser, go for Cloudflare dashboard, and directly inside the actual dashboard, what you can do is to look out for the element that says email routing. So I'm going to do exactly the same process. I'm going to keep logged in with exactly the same Gmail I'm going to be using for this tutorial. I focus directly inside the dashboard of the Cloudflare, and into the left section you can look out here for the option that says quick search and look out for email routing, which is into the email service, and click directly inside here. So this is a free alias. Anyone who emails your professional email address gets forwarded to your Gmail instantly. So go for onboard the domain, and you can add your own domain. Of course, in order to continue, you must make an actual purchase of an actual domain. But domains actually is going to be really easily to make the purchase. For example, you can focus directly here into Namecheap. Namecheap gives you the opportunity to buy a domain, which is actually going to be really cheap and affordable for almost everybody. Because if I go for register a domain to start, let's say for example that we just go for TextPress and go for searched, of course textpress.com is going to be really complicated to get, but if I scroll a little bit down, I can look out for example this one, textpress.space, that costs less than $1 per year, and the retail price is $1 plus. That means almost $2 per year for the actual retail, which I think is going to be really affordable, right? So I can go for my name, Steven at textpress.space, and I can use this registration of this domain and put it directly inside this Cloudflare, the same as Soho Mail. The third option that I can give you with all of these elements is the register throw end. So which one should you choose? Well, basically what I can tell you with the third option, it was for example the register throw in, you wanted to check where you bought your domain, because nowadays new registers like Spaceship, for example, I believe that Spaceship domains often include a free space mail account with every domain purchase, but I don't know what happens exactly with Spaceship nowadays. But still, I think that this one actually comes with the actual domains. I don't know, don't trust me, just go ahead and check out the actual domain that you actually purchased, because this might come with an actual email right there. But I believe Spaceship has it, but I think it's small for a starting setup, 20 emails a week. It's all you need. So always check your register freebies tab before you buy a separated plan, right? So which one should you choose? I think that if you want to separate professional logging, I'm gonna focus for Soho Mail, which is gonna be really awesome to get started. And if you want everything in one Gmail inbox, I'm gonna focus only for the Cloudflare. If you want an actual full tutorial to make the actual conversion and the let's say the if you want to move out from the Gmail to Cloudflare and add your own Gmail account, professional account. Let us know in the comments below and we can make the actual tutorial for you. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you next time.